All right, I'm gonna put this on YouTube for anyone who needs to see it. This is the easiest way to load a case of pop, a case of beer, whatever it might be, into your fridge. So you open up one end like this. Open up your fridge. You have a shelf picked out for where you're gonna put whatever it is. Let me see if I can set this up so it'll actually catch this. Take the open end of the pop, stick it on the shelf, okay, open up the other side, like that, and just take your hand,